Lithium-ion battery. To the list of exempted capital goods, I propose to add 35 additional capital goods for EV battery manufacturing and 28 additional capital goods for mobile phone battery manufacturing. This will boost domestic manufacture of lithium-ion batteries, both for mobile phones and for electric vehicles.
Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I am Promeet and today we will be discussing about the budget that has come out. Now this is the budget for the year 2025-2026 and there has been some important announcement in the budget. Now first of all, let us talk about this, that people who are earning up to 12 lakh rupees per year have been exempted from tax. That means that if your annual income is to 12 lakh rupees, you will not have to pay tax, and that is a really good news.
I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees.
Now, another news that has come in, that EVs are about to get cheaper and how this will overall help the sales of the EV vehicles in the Indian market. Now, let us talk a little bit about EVs. So, EVs are basically made up of an electric motors, and you have the main key element, that is the lithium-ion battery pack. Now, obviously, to run an EV vehicle, the important thing is the battery pack. And obviously EVs fall a little cheap as far as running it on fuel that is diesel or petrol goes, because the cost of running is really less if you have an EV and if you have a charger that is attached to your house, to your parking lot, and if you're charging through there. Otherwise, sometimes when you charge it from the outside or any other electric charging station, then what happens is that there is slight amount of tax and all that you have to pay over there, and because of that the charging becomes slightly more expensive. Now let us talk about what important announcement has been made for the lithium-ion battery sector. Now the Union Budget 2025-2026 introduces a tax exemption that has been made for the lithium-ion battery production, and apart from that they are aiming to enhance local manufacturing and reduce the import dependency. Basically, when we are importing stuff from outside, that is when the thing, whether be it a battery or whether be it any other thing, if it will obviously become slightly expensive because of the import duties. And other than that, the initiative is expected to make the EV industry now because we will be reducing the import dependency. What will happen is that we are expected to make the EV and some other electronics very affordable in the Indian market. Now obviously EVs are not very expensive, but they are not very cheap as well, obviously, because some parts have to be imported, some parts are being manufactured in India. So overall, if you combine and if everything is manufactured in India, then obviously EVs will become slightly more affordable and people will obviously be able to buy it and use it as their daily commute. Now, the Union Budget 2025-2026 has announced a significant tax exemption to promote the production of lithium-ion batteries and the related sectors. And the government has also said that they will be increasing the local manufacturing just because they want to make EVs and other items that use lithium-ion batteries slightly more affordable. Now, government has removed the basic custom duties, that is the BCD, on essential materials like cobalt, lithium-ion battery scrap, lead, zinc, and 12 other critical materials that are present in the market. Now, these materials are vital for manufacturing, first of all, batteries, then you have semiconductors, and then obviously there is renewable energy equipment. Now, since the government has removed the basic custom duties, obviously, and they have started manufacturing lithium-ion batteries in India, so this will basically impact the EV industry, and The people who are earning up to 12 lakh rupees, they will not have to pay any tax. So obviously that thing will also help, whether be it an EV 4-wheeler or a 2-wheeler, it will become slightly more accessible to people who are making up to 12 lakh rupees a year. So this will obviously help increase the boost in the EV manufacturing sector. So yeah guys, if you found this video interesting, please give it a like and give a thumbs up if you like the information. For more such interesting videos, please follow DriveSpark, and I will see you in another video.